First of all, we gotta go and look for Teamviewer in Google. You can, if you find this option here, just click it right away. It will take you to the section of the web page where you can download it. You just select the operating system that you have. I am using Windows. If you're using a MacBook, you should select Mac. But anyways, you can do that or enter the official page. It's teamweaver.com. Don't go to other place that is not this. Then we click on the download section and it will be the same sites. Okay, so you click on the operating system that you're using. Then you can click here in download Teamweaver or compare licenses. But if you don't have any license for this, just click on download. And that's it. You will be able to download the file. Alright, so the download finished and you click on it. So you want to install it normally, and the use you want to give it is personal use, not commercial. Accept and finish. Click on yes. It will take a short time. So once it's finished, you can go. It's only the updates, but they are showing every week almost, or month, more now. Close it. And this is what you have to share with someone that you want to control your computer. Be careful with this information. If you share it with someone, they will have access to your whole computer. So be very careful. The ID and then the password. You can refresh the password just like this, or you can establish a personalized password. For that, you click on that part in this section here, establecer contraseña personal, and then you use the personalized password. But it's better if they have this password because it's something complicated. Anyways, this password should change every time that you share your ID. That's it. That's how you share. Also, if you want to control somebody else's computer, you have to have his ID. So you write it here, and when you connect to it, it will ask you for the password. So you put the password. That's it. That's how you install Teamviewer. Hope it's useful for you.